For students interested in medicine and biological sciences, the health sciences track at Sora is a fantastic way for students to explore those fields and work with experienced industry mentors. We believe in allowing students to have as much hands-on work experience as possible. Those are the types of projects that they get to work on in this specialized program.
My health sciences track project is focusing on the biophilia effect, which is the psychologic and physiologic effect of nature on humans. It's been demonstrated to take effect if you're in nature, if you hear nature sounds, if you see pictures of nature. I am specifically looking at how the biophilia effect as a whole could apply to space travel.
The project that I am working right now is basically memories. I'm studying memories in third-person perspective. So basically when you remember a memory passed through your head. It's basically either you see it through your own eyes or you see it in a third-person perspective. So I am studying right now and doing a project about why this happens, why we have memories in different perspectives.
The health sciences track is this focused kind of collective effort to get involved in anything in just related to health science. So personally, I have a more psychology-driven project because I'm going into generational trauma. But I know there's another student who's doing something with physical therapy. So what the health science tracks allows us to do is actually meet with someone that has experience in a broad range of things in that field.
The health science track here at Sora, I try to help the students pick a topic that they're interested within the health track. There's so many things to research and learn about. There's no one right way to do anything really. My goal is to help focus them and help guide them into the industry standards of how research is did, how to ask questions, what they can expect, what type of jobs will be out there for them in the future, and help them understand that there is not just one thing in health sciences, but all the topics and all the research, they overlap each other. So you use similar skills regardless if you want to go into animal research or be a veterinarian, if you want to be a physician, if you want to do physical therapy, really anything out there.
It's been great to work with Maria. I really enjoy hearing about, she talks about the payloads that she has supervised and just her general background in health sciences in general. She's done a lot of really interesting things. Obviously, I've loved getting her feedback on my project in particular and having her guidance and where I go next. And she's also been very helpful. She's looking into potentially seeing if she can find out what payload the experiment competition that I'm entering into, how they are going to send up the experiment, so she can look at maybe past experiments that they sent up and I can tailor my own experiment to fit in those sorts of parameters. So that's been really helpful insight. But also she will just talk about things that are really fascinating that have very little to do with my own project, but that is amazing to hear about both from her experiences in NASA and outside.
If your student is interested in exploring the field of health sciences, you can sign up for the track when you enroll at Sora.